Hello friends, you are on the Home Tips channel. In this video I will show you 8 life hacks that will come in handy in your everyday life. Thanks to them, cleaning will become easier and faster. Tip number 1. Don't throw away eggshells. Rinse the shells of raw eggs under running water. Remove all the films and dry thoroughly. If you have leftover shells from boiled eggs, leave them overnight to dry and then separate the films from them. Clean and well-dried eggshells need to be crushed. Take some cling film, spread the eggshells on it, then cover it with the second piece of cling film. You can crush it with a wooden hammer. I don't recommend using a blender for this, as the eggshells will leave a lot of scratches on the blender bowl. Next, you need to add dishwashing liquid to the crushed eggshells. With this scrub, you can clean grease and carbon deposits from pans and pots, heavily dirty dishes, stoves, ovens, and much more. I don't recommend using it on non-stick pans, but it's fine for the bottom. Always test the product on an inconspicuous area before using to ensure it won't damage the surface. Look, 1 minute and the pot is shining again. If you have photographs and figurines on shelves at home or paintings hanging on the walls, then a cloth is not always enough to remove dust from them. But a brush is perfect for this. It will gently and carefully clean all the cracks and uneven areas, removing all dust and dirt. The following tip is for tea and coffee lovers. Some teapots have areas that are quite difficult to clean, and over time deposits accumulate there. To clean it, we will need baking soda. Pour 1 tablespoon into the teapot and fill it to the very top with boiling water. After 10 minutes, empty the water from the teapot and begin cleaning with a soft sponge. All deposits, even the most stubborn ones, will come off effortlessly. You can use the same method to remove line scale and unpleasant odors from a thermos. However, the neck is narrow and you won't be able to reach the bottom with your hand. So pour some rice into the thermos, add a splash of water, close it, and shake well. A brilliant result. Everything was washed well and the teapot is like new again. Removing stickers isn't always easy the first time. Some come off in pieces, leaving sticky residue. Take some sunflower oil and pour a small amount onto the sticker. Use your finger to spread the oil evenly over the sticker and cover it with a napkin to prevent it from spreading. It took me 20 minutes. The sticker came off easily and left no trace. If you buy cookies or candies and inside the package it is all in a plastic box, do not rush to throw it away. Wash the box thoroughly, let it dry, and you will have a wonderful organizer. Obviously, you won't put one in a prominent place, but they are very convenient for storing things on the shelves inside a closet. By the way, if these boxes are very soft, then you will need 2 or 3, which you just need to put inside each other. While cleaning, we don't always move furniture, but we do need to clean underneath it at least sometimes. The distance from the floor is usually small, and not every mop can fit under it. The solution to this problem is very simple. You will need a regular hanger and some nylon ties. Place the ties on your hand, then wrap them around the hanger. This is how simple a device turns out. With its help, you can easily clean under a chest of drawers or a sofa, even if the distance from the floor is very small. You don't have to throw the ties away after this, just pick up any debris, wash them, and you can use them again later. Now I want to show you a trash bag trick. I'm sure everyone has been there, when you just put a trash bag in the bin, throw something in, and the bag slides off. This isn't very convenient, so you need to somehow secure the bag to the bin. For this, nylon ties will work again. However, in this case, it is best to use the top part. Use scissors to cut off the top elastic band. And with its help, we secure the bag to the trash can. Now it's definitely not going anywhere. For the next trick, we will need a spray bottle and hydrogen peroxide. I used a 3% solution. I pour some hydrogen peroxide into a spray bottle. Have you ever encountered a situation where your toilet is clean and you've seemingly cleaned everything, but the unpleasant odor still lingers? If so, take some hydrogen peroxide, spray it on the tiles around the toilet, and then wipe the tiles with paper towels. You can also use hydrogen peroxide to treat the outside of the toilet bowl, the toilet brush holder, and the toilet brush itself. After treating, let it dry thoroughly before storing it in the holder. This will eliminate unpleasant odors. Here are some basic tips you can use around the house to make cleaning easier and faster. I hope you enjoyed these life hacks. Like the video and subscribe to my channel, and share your interesting ideas in the comments. Thanks for watching, see you in more videos.